Well, let's learn about the foundations of health and illness. Holistic health. True health is defined as complete physical, mental, and social well-being, rather than just the absence of illness. The happiness loop. Mental happiness and physical health are deeply linked. Being happy keeps you active, and staying active directly boosts your mood. Disease versus normal function. A disease is any condition that disrupts the normal working of the body or mind. Medical indicators and disease types. Symptoms versus signs. Symptoms are subjective feelings felt by the patient, pain, tiredness, while signs are objective indicators that can be seen or measured by others, like fever, rash. Non-communicable diseases, NCDs. Chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease are driven by lifestyle and environmental factors, not germs. They are often highly preventable through regular exercise and healthy choices. Infectious diseases. These illnesses are directly caused by invading pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, or worms. Defense and treatment. Immune protection. The body's natural immune system acts as a shield to protect against harmful pathogens to prevent future infections. Clinical management. Proper medical diagnosis and targeted treatment are critical to effectively manage and cure health conditions. Thanks for watching.